these out. I don't have something to use them on right now because my garage is completely cleaned out, but these are WORKPRO adjustable wrenches. Very, very, very unique. The way that they work is interesting. So you have your standard, American, whatever you want to call it, SEA, and you also have your metric. So you have two sides, right? And this one goes from 14 to 19. And you just basically click the button. And as you click the button, you rotate it, right? So you can see that is a 14 millimeter in there. Interesting, right? This one is a 15 millimeter. You probably know before I do. And then you can rotate them again. So, you know, when you're looking down, it's easy enough to just rotate it. You can hold it and rotate all the way around. You don't have to go one by one. Now, what I would say is these may not be like the first thing I go for when I grab them, but what these would be really good for is for pack outs for your car. If you have a Jeep or you have RVs and ATVs, that was the word I'm looking for, where you don't want to have to carry a bunch of stuff. You know, you just want to carry something small that covers a bunch of different types of bolts. So this is definitely nice, something nice to have, you know, or if you don't have a lot of tools, you just want to minimize, you really just want something small, but that works. And it's heavy, like this seems like it's heavy duty, and I don't see any issues with them breaking. Like there's no reason why this would break. If you look at it, you got a join here, and then everything's inside here. So this wouldn't break, you know. I don't see any issue with it. So really nice, simple, never seen this before, innovative tool by WORKPRO. Pick them up.